Hello everyone. Thank you once again. I'm back and this time with Rakul.
Hi.
How are you? I was seeing holiday pictures. I didn't know you were in Mumbai firstly. You were in India.
Yeah, I wasn't. When you messaged me,
Yes.
that's when I just got back day before yesterday.
Right.
So I'm still a little jet lagged.
You're
but-
jet lagged. So let's start with that. How important it is. These are students starting their career. What would you tell them? How important is it to take a break and go on a holiday?
See, it's really important, but it's important at the right time.
Ah.
You know, when I started working, you won't believe me, but I took my first holiday after 4 to 5 years of working as an actor.
4 years you
4 years, I didn't understand the
That's- yeah.
concept of holiday because you're in that zest of, really working and making a name for yourself. So yes, I mean, I don't need to say today's generation is like, I need to work this much and I need to
Yeah.
take this much break. So you need to find a balance of what works for you.
Right.
I think for me, it's really important to take 3 vacations a year.
3 vacations.
Means
yeah?
they could be smaller, like a week, you
Okay,
know,
yeah.
not like 20-day 3 vacations, but like work for 3-4 months, take a week off, work for 3-4 months, take a week off. It's always nice to sort of reboot and reset
Right.
yourself so that you're back with a bang.
Right. So your film work, Pati Patni, we watched and enjoyed, and the holiday uske liye thi to celebrate the success.
So I hadn't taken a holiday rather, since I was shooting De De Pyar De, and then that released, and then I was shooting Pati Patni, and Pati Patni released. So since a year and a half, it was just 3 days break, or like New Year 3-day break, but there wasn't really a disconnect from work. So it was more like waiting for the success of Pati Patni, and the moment that happened, I was like, okay, let's go, let's take off. And this was a 20-day holiday.
Wow,
I have
wow.
never in my life. So now there it goes. In 13 years of working, this is my first 20-day break.
Wow.
I've never taken 20 days
Good. You're
off.
telling them, but they should take it often.
You should,
the
but
right
like
time.
after 13 years,
After
I've
13
taken
years
that.
of-
So
Pehle
you
kaam
find
karo.
your balance. I think
Yeah.
everybody has to find their. I'm a workaholic, so by the end of it, someone was asking me, "Are you homesick?" I said, "No, I'm not homesick. I'm work sick.
Work sick.
I want to go back and work."
Right. You know, Pati Patni is a film that could have gone either ways. What made you think that this will work?
You know, on script, when we read the script, there are very few scripts that you're laughing from the word go. And somehow the way Mudassar, our director, he narrates, right? He's a very good narrator.
Okay.
So he narrated every character with the way the character is actually speaking in the film.
Okay.
So we had an idea of where it's going, what are the punches. So on the script level, I thought it was amazing. There wasn't any confusion that this script, if shot right, will land.
Right.
But I did feel like Nilofar's character could go either way because she speaks in a very different dialect. Like, is your pati animal and
Yeah.
all of that. So she has a very distinct way of speaking, and I wasn't sure if it'll work on me. Will it look caricaturish? Will
Right.
it look too much? But I think when we did a few readings and the way, so I just gave into Mudassar's brief actually,
Okay,
and I
okay.
was just following it. कि ठीक है ऐसे मुंह बनाना है. I don't have to think about looking pretty. I have to make those faces. I have to look like आड़ा टेढ़ा. So I will look आड़ा टेढ़ा. It's fine.
Wow. You know, I was talking to you backstage, and when you say do a Telugu movie, do you learn the language? Do you like to learn the language, or do you think you all can pull off a lot because there's dubbing?
No, I think so. I started working on my first film in 2012 in
Okay,
Telugu, and
okay.
2013 is when it released. And in about a year, I started understanding the language and started speaking a little bit. And that's when I realized that I always, from day one, made the effort to understand every word because I don't think you can emote right if you don't understand what you're saying.
Right.
Unless, I mean, if you have the drive to do well,
Right.
right? So you want to be able to emote, and sometimes it's not just about emoting your lines, it's also about reacting to your co-actors'
Yeah,
lines,
yeah.
which you can only do if you understand the language.
Right.
So I used to always, in the beginning phase where I didn't know the language, I used to always understand what is he
What
saying.
saying, yeah.
Tell me what is he saying in English. Tell me what is she saying in English. So everybody, so that I know and I'm not standing like
Yeah,
I don't
just
know what's
no
happening in
reaction.
the
Yeah,
scene.
yeah,
And then in about a year and a half, when I started speaking the language very fluently, is when I realized that it does make a difference to your
make a difference,
performance,
right,
because
right.
I was able to improvise. I was able to add my own things. Otherwise, it was limited to the lines I was given.
Right.
So you know how in Hindi, if somebody is telling me something and I'll add a basic thing like "Arey yaar, oh," you know. So it becomes your own.
Natural, right.
I could start doing that in Telugu.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think it's very important, the language that you're working in, and I always believe that if it's a language that's your bread and butter,
Right, yeah.
that's actually your livelihood, you better learn it.
You better know it. You know, correct me if I'm wrong. We're going through a phase where I at least see, I don't know, guys, y'all also, come in here and say, am I wrong in saying female actors are getting trolled a lot nowadays? It has increased. I don't know if it's organic or it's manipulated, it's organized, but do you observe this?
I think trolling in general has increased. Yes, female actors, but I don't think it disregards male actors. I think men, women, anybody who's trying to do something, trolling in general has increased a lot in the last, and especially I see that in the last 2 to 3 years. You know, social media has been there since almost, I think, 2013, 14 is when Instagram came in, or at least I got on Instagram. But in the last 2, 3 years, it's really sad that this social media place has become like this hub of negativity, that anybody who tries to do something nice is sort of squashed,
Attacked,
is
yeah.
attacked. And I think it's deeper than just, I think people think it's cool to troll. See, there are multiple reasons. It could be clickbait. Because negativity spreads faster than,
right.
if there's a good news and a good headline, that's not going to make people talk that, oh, you know what, so-and-so won a gold medal.
Right.
But if there is a murder, if there is a kidnap, if there is something, then people are like, oh, you know what, a 24-year-old murdered so-and-so, and that becomes, it's just sad that the world speaks more about negative news.
Right.
And similarly, it's sad that trolling, people think is amazing to get some clickbait on their account. But I think what's happened now, Rohit, is that everybody had an opinion even earlier.
Right.
Right? But you were not subjected to that opinion. It used to be, in my opinion, like it used to be a chai ke thele pe baitkar discussion. Arey, that film is not
In your
good.
house with your
In your
friends.
house. And maybe everybody was having those discussions.
Correct.
But now everybody who doesn't have a face also has access to saying anything to anybody.
Correct.
So it gives them a lot of validation. And I think we just need to cut that noise.
Right.
I do not think that this trolling affects ultimately who you are or what your film is. I don't think it affects.
True. Guys, whoever at some point, I think everybody's trolled someone. We may accept or we may not in this room. But I just feel everybody, before you're pressing post and before you're commenting, just think, do I need to do this? Do I have to do this? Is it needed?
Absolutely. And I think what is it that we are achieving as a society?
Yeah.
I mean, you guys, I see that all of you all are really young here, and you guys are the future of the country. And we will decide what our future generation is going to be like. So, if you all sort of start supporting trolling, and if you look at it now, it used to, even ragging used to happen in college. What is it? It's trying to put someone down.
True.
Or teasing kids in school. But now just imagine you have a platform where you can do that to anybody.
Correct.
You can do that to an A-list actor, to a politician, to whoever, and you feel great about it. But what's the solution? I think the solution lies with each one of you to be a little more mindful and to create a more positive space on social media. Otherwise, ultimately, people will just get off.
True. Also, do you think actors like yourself and other actors also, of course, it's not a united one company or something. This is an industry which is also fairly divided. But is it time to also show support when they come up with a trailer, teaser. If you like it,
Yeah.
will you say it? I loved it.
I completely agree to that, Rohit. And I think we are really lagging behind in that. I see my conditioning happened in the Telugu film industry.
Yeah.
And that is a very united industry. I've said this many a times that when I moved to Bombay and suddenly I realized, oh my God, why is everyone so competitive? Yes, there's competition even there, but you're supporting one another's films. There would be like, we would show up for each other's
Right.
screenings or premieres or talk about or celebrate a success party. And it wasn't about, oh, who's going? So I will
Yeah,
go.
yeah.
Everybody was just there for one another.
Right.
And I feel like if we bring that feeling of one fraternity in Mumbai, then we're a really strong one.
Yeah.
But
True.
I feel that insecurities don't let you or allow,
Right.
and that's self-work,
True.
honestly.
You know, some of it is organized. This is like I would say it's like an organized crime. I can troll anyone. I can pay an agency and troll anyone.
Yeah.
This is also industry-made problem because suddenly there is a platform कि हम कर सकते हैं तो क्यों नहीं करें?
यार रोहित इसमें ना कर सकते हैं तो हम क्यों नहीं करें, but I think ethics play a huge role.
Yeah, personal ethics. Yeah.
I think personal
Upbringing.
ethics. So anybody who's taking money,
Yeah.
I will question those people. That
True.
a person is saying, "Oh, I'll give you money, you troll," but a
Yeah.
person who's taking money and trolling
Yeah.
and creating this hate is equally at fault or more at
100%.
fault rather.
100%.
And that person should question his or her ethics.
Yeah. True.
I
True.
think who are you as a person and why are you doing that? And all of this is so short-lived.
Yeah.
Nobody's thinking about the future. If your films don't land, you create negativity about actors, you try to decentralize a power center that Hindi film industry is, it won't last.
Yeah, there are, you know, everybody, guys, there are many ways to make money.
Yeah.
This
There are many
yeah,
ways. So the
yeah.
question is on, are you stooping so low
Correct.
to do
correct.
this?
And don't go both ways. There would be, I would say, there are journalists, don't take money and give a film 5 stars just because you've got money. It's ridiculous.
No, it's become, I'm sorry, I'm going to take this platform to say
Yeah,
this,
sure.
but it's become, I'm sure you know, it's a ritual
Yeah.
that, oh, we love your film, but we're not going to give it a particular rating. There's blackmail that happens from certain
Yeah.
platforms. Obviously, I won't name, but
Sure, yeah.
that we like it, but we will not give it rating unless we are paid.
That's
And I don't understand. I mean, you're not looking at the long picture. You're actually spoiling the industry.
yeah,
You know,
100%.
the ethos of the industry.
Ethos of the industry. No, that's we've heard these backroom stories from for years and years, but really the time has come where we all can only put an end to it. You all are the consumers also. You all can put an end to it.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think audiences know the best.
Audience knows about it.
Audiences
Right.
know the best.
Right.
Yes, because we are constantly on social media, we see a lot of this trolling or this negativity. But there are films that still shine.
Right.
There's currently a film that has jumped in week 2.
Yeah.
And that's all because of the audiences. Or even with Pati Patni, it had a slow start, but it's because of the audiences that
Correct,
within
yeah.
the first 5-6 days, it sort of got the love
True.
and it started growing. So
Yeah.
I feel like audiences know better, but we all need to be responsible to some extent
Be
on what we are,
responsible. Main thing, yeah,
whether
be
what we are commenting as consumers or as journalists, what are we writing and how are we reviewing films and everything, right?
Yeah, true. Also coming back to work, where will we see you next? We know there are some big projects coming. What can you tell them at this stage? What have you shot?
Well, there's one big film which is in the pipeline, which
Okay.
is end of the year.
Okay.
There's some interesting work happening. I'm not allowed to speak about it
Okay.
yet, but I'll speak about it soon. But one big project that I
Big
am
project.
excited
ठीक
about.
है.
Yes.
We'll keep a close watch on that.